Alright guys, you see this? All these ragged edges. That's all, I used to work in a die cast plant. Look at that. Those lips on there. See, that stops that oil from draining down into the block. And, you know, there's some jagged edges on here. Look at that, guys. Look right there. And I used to have to deburr the castings after they cast, you know, it wasn't engine parts, but it's all the same if you worked in a die cast plant, you know. And you supposed to, somebody didn't do their job that day. You supposed to sand and deburr this down, and people just don't want to do their jobs. They don't like doing their jobs. But yeah, before I take this to the engine builder, I'll get me my little die grinder and I'll grind this out. And I do a lot of that work, so, you know, the engine builder won't have to spend his time doing stuff like that. So I do that with a lot of my parts, man. You got to go in and they just don't have this stuff deburred out right. So alright, I'll come in and show you how to do that. You like these videos, guys, like, share, subscribe, hit the... Alright, so coming here, I'm gonna take these edges off of here. Alright, so let me come in on these oil galleys where the oil is supposed to run back down and run out of here. So I'll do some of this work where the machine shop won't have to do that. Alright, so like right here, see, that's a nice little point on there. This is all rigid here. So alright guys, so that's how that look after I get that all cleaned up. I know I've heard certain people say they left all of that extra casting on there for strength. But I just took the outside jagged edges and just kind of flattened it out. If you look here, I still got quite a bit left in there. Certain areas where it was all the way down, I just rounded it off a little bit where the oil flowed through those, you know, down in there a little easier. So I don't think it's gonna hurt nothing. I'll talk to the engine builder. Hopefully I didn't mess up here, but I'm quite sure it ain't gonna hurt that much. It's gonna help that oil flow down through there a little better. And if they was gonna clean that up, at least now they ain't gotta do it, because I already did it already. So alright guys, so that's the way I do it. All right.